Go buy Modere, the new energy drinks that were just released. 17 years in the making this stuff has been around, and it has just been released by Modere. And oh my gosh, guys, are you absolutely going to love it and find that you can't live a day without it. So stay tuned to hear all of the benefits of this incredible energy drink that is coming your way. And hey, if we are just meeting, my name is Julie Reynolds and I help network marketers brand themselves with confidence and build their dream business online. On this channel, I give you weekly tips on how to build your network marketing business online using the same strategies I've used to hit the top ranks of my company. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel so that you never miss out. All right, guys, these are the new and improved energy drinks by Modere, and let me just say, it has taken away all of the edge, all of the fog that I have at like that 2 o'clock time. So I'm a morning person, but by like midday, I'm ready to pass out. No longer. I no longer need my naps. I no longer feel that like edge jitter when my kids have come home from school where I want to like pull my hair out, because what this energy drink does is it gives you sustained energy, it gives you focus, and it gives you clarity. It kind of takes away all of that fog. But the best part is it is packed with clean nutrients, guys. It does not have any artificial flavors, any artificial sweeteners, nothing like that. But it's packed with antioxidants, minerals, and vitamins to give you a true benefit of an energy drink, right? So many of those energy drinks are packed with chemicals. They're not good for you. This is not the case with these energy drinks. That's why they're different. Now, it does have a little bit of caffeine in it, but the caffeine is more of like a catalyst. So you're not going to get this like jolt or this buzz that some people get with energy drinks and then you come crashing down. It's just kind of like a catalyst to ignite all of the nutrients and the minerals in your body so that it kind of releases it into your body in a nice steady pace. And let me tell you, you are never going to miss a day with these energy drinks because you're going to feel so much better when you take them. So how do you take these Go energy drinks by Modere? Well, let me tell you. So their first thing, you can take up to 2 of these a day. You want to take them on an empty stomach, ideally. So really, you don't want to eat like 2 hours before or 2 hours after. So usually that window for most people is between 10 and 2. So you could take one at 10 o'clock, you can take one at 2 o'clock. Now, like I said, I'm a morning person, so at 10 o'clock, I don't really need that energy, but by 2 o'clock, man, like when I'm going to pick up my kids from school, I need my energy drink. So I down my Go, and what I do is I mix it with 8 to 12 ounces of water. I just mix it up, I shake it, and it goes down the hatch. Super easy. It tastes delicious. So we do have it in 3 different flavors. My 2 favorite are right here. This is the pomegranate acai, and this is the fruit punch. Both of those are my favorite. It does come in an orange citrus. Now, to be honest, I'm not an orange citrus person. However, people that do love the orange flavor said it tastes absolutely amazing. So I don't want to deter you from it, but I will tell you that these 2 flavors are my favorite. Now, I have a $10 exclusive coupon for you in the description so that you can get these energy packets. You can give them a try. $10 off. In the link in the description below, you will find my exclusive coupon for you. And my question of the day for you is, have you ever tried an energy drink before? If so, I'd love to know what your thoughts were in the comments. And I challenge you, because we do have a 30-day empty bottle guarantee, or empty packet guarantee, so to speak, to give this Go a try. Because if you absolutely don't love it and you don't find that it gives you that mental clarity and that focus, and it kind of takes away some of that edge that maybe some of us moms or parents out there have, you can return our product. All right, so that's for you, my Go. It's absolutely amazing. I love it. This is Julie Reynolds with another episode of Julie Reynolds TV. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you never miss out.